Welcome back, digital defenders. Today we are entering the world of PowerShell, Microsoft's powerful automation tool. If you're working in a Windows environment, PowerShell is essential for automating tasks, monitoring systems, and detecting threats. Let's dive in. PowerShell is a command line shell and scripting language built for task automation and configuration. It's not just for admins, it's a powerful cybersecurity tool used by both attackers and defenders. Commandlets are the heart of PowerShell. Here are a few basics. Get process will list running processes. Get services, obviously, list services. Test connection is a ping alternative, and very important, set execution policy will allow script execution. These will help you inspect, control, and monitor your system very quickly. Now, PowerShell does include execution policies to prevent unauthorized scripts. You could have restricted for no scripts to run, remote signed so that local scripts are okay, but remote scripts need to be signed, and unrestricted for anything to work. Okay, don't do that. Anything goes is a big no-no. So use this command to change your policies, but you're gonna need admin privileges to use it. For instance, to use it, you would say set execution policy remote signed. Now, you can write .ps1 files to automate tasks like recon task, user audits, log collection, firewall settings, and so on. For instance, you can type PowerShell users equal to get local user, users pipe where object is enabled equal to true. Now, with PowerShell remoting, you can run scripts on remote machines. For instance, in PowerShell, you have enable PS remoting, invoke command, computer name, server 1, script block, get process. This is ideal for admins managing large fleets or attackers spreading silently. Now, PowerShell can pull logs for threat detection. For instance, Get-EventLog, give it a log name, security, newest 10. Use it to check failed login attempts, system reboots, and malware execution trails. Now, the red team, that is the attackers, can use PowerShell for downloading payloads by invoking web request URI, provide a URL, out file, and provide it an executable file. They can also use it for bypassing defenses and escalating privileges. The blue team, your defenders, will use PowerShell for automating threat detection, hardening endpoints, and collecting forensic data. So, PowerShell is a double-edged sword. PowerShell for Windows security and automation. While Linux is king in many areas, Windows dominates countless enterprise environments. So PowerShell is your indispensable command line shell and scripting language for managing, securing, and automating tasks on Windows systems. If you are a blue teamer, this is your primary weapon. Let's start with the basics. PowerShell uses commandlets, lightweight commands following a verb-noun naming convention. For instance, get service. To get help is your friend. It's comprehensive. The true power of PowerShell comes from the pipeline, denoted by the pipe symbol. It allows you to take the output of one commandlet, which are objects, not just text, and send it as input into another. This enables incredibly powerful one-liners. Now, let's find processes using a lot of CPU, a common indicator of unusual activity. Notice the $_ that refers to the current object in the pipeline. Windows event logs are your primary source for forensic and security investigations. Get-WinEvent is the commandlet to query them. Let's look for failed login attempts, which have event ID 4625 in the security log. We can also filter by time. Find failed logins from the last 24 hours maybe. This XML-based filter XPath is powerful for complex queries. For network forensics on a host, Get-NetTCPConnection is invaluable. It shows all active TCP connections. You can immediately spot unusual outbound connections or processes, and Get-Net Firewall rule lets you inspect your firewall rules. PowerShell also shines in automation. Let's write a quick script to find common suspicious files. This automates a routine check that a security analyst might perform manually. So, for systems hardening, desired state configuration (DSC) uses PowerShell to define how systems should be configured. If a configuration drifts, DSC can automatically remediate it, which ensures continuous security compliance. PowerShell obviously is a powerful object-oriented shell that's indispensable for Windows security. From deep forensic analysis of event logs to automating routine security checks and enforcing system hardening, your proficiency with PowerShell will make you a more effective and efficient cybersecurity professional. So, keep exploring its vast capabilities in your lab environment. Today's challenge will be for you to use Get process to find suspicious activity, or use Get-EventLog to detect failed logins. Write a script that collects the system info as well. Post it with a tag of PowerShell for security or V2SDK. Now, to wrap up, PowerShell is a must-have tool in your cybersecurity belt. If you're defending Windows systems or testing them, PowerShell gives you the speed and the power to automate everything. Next up, we're going to jump into Python for cybersecurity pros, because Python and PowerShell are both unstoppable together. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's keep learning together. This is V2SDK, and you already know.